Hi, welcome to Easy Excel with Chris, making Excel work for you. Okay, so in this video, very quickly, why can't I save my Excel file? Okay, so I've just gone to File, Save, tried to save it where I want, and I've got this error. The following features could not be saved in macro-free workbooks. And then it's telling me to do all this. So, to continue saving as a macro-free workbook, click Yes. So, there's a way around this, and I'll explain how to save your file and why this error is coming up. Okay, so keep watching to find out more. Okay, so here I am back at the Excel document, and I've just showed you the previous error. Now the reason that's happening is because we've got this macro button that we've added in the previous video. So if you've not seen that video, then check that one out and how to add this button. And what this button does is when you click it, it will sort this table into date order. So because that's now enabled, macros are enabled now, we need to have a file type that supports macros on the document. Normal Excel files won't support it, okay? It's not a problem. There's various file types, only like, having a Word document that's in Word or PDF or whatever. You just have a different file type for what you need. So I'll show you quickly now how to fix that. I just need to conceal some private information. I'm just going to quickly pause this video and come back to you when I'm on the right screen. Just bear with me. And we're back. Okay, so what we need to be looking at doing is trying to save this, and at the moment it wants to save as an Excel workbook. Okay, and we've got the previous error message. So in order to get around that, all we need to do is select the drop down box, and we've got all these different options here, and you'll see this one here that says macro enabled workbook. So we'll select that, give it the file name, and then we click save. And that's now saved, no problem. So now we can just go to the top and just press the normal save icon, and it will just save it. No problems, no error messages, and we've got the right file type. Okay, so just a quick one. It's a bit of a weird one to try and show you without going into all my personal files, but hopefully I did it justice. I don't care if you can see this at the top. That's just how I record the screen. It's not a problem. This is an open and honest channel. I show you all my mistakes as well as how to do things correctly. Alright, hope that was useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please show your support, helps me keep making these videos. All the best, thank you.